Just finished doing a little food review. Yong Kang Street by Christiana Mall. Highly recommended to put at the table. Best shrimp fried rice I've ever had. Then it has a little dim sum with some kind of like doughy ball with barbecued pork inside. Banging. Then you got the edamame, which I don't even like peas, but I could eat these. And then, of course, sushi. Again, highly recommended. Put this at the table. Yakman recommendation. I won't let you down. You already know. You either at the table or you on the menu. No comment.